Started the second batch January 20th. That one's new. All of these are new. See that? See that one right there? You can start to see this one starting to come up. There you go. That one's new right there. Look at those tall bastards. Oh, look. So, you see how yesterday these were just starting to go up, but now we're starting to get 2 leaves on each. And then what we'll do is we'll trim these down when they start getting too long. Pretty soon, these are going to be really tall. Today's January 22nd, and the top ones, nothing is growing yet. I think it's too, yeah, it's got mold on it. It's too wet. There's too much water in here. So I gotta get rid of some of this water. This shit's too wet. But the good news is down here, look at these monsters. Look at those jalapenos. Look how much they've grown. Look at that. There's already on their 3rd set of leaves. That's crazy. Lots. Okay, look at that one. It's just starting to come up. All of these are doing really good. And what I did was I went and bought some big pots. So we're gonna put pots down here, pots up here, put more lights underneath. So lights here, and I'm gonna do these too because I'm thinking these are gonna get too big for this pretty soon. So I'd like to find a new house for them. And look at this. This is 4 days in. Garlic, all 5 stalks are growing. All 5. So we're gonna cut this one off. Right there. So the garlic can start growing.